Hi, I'm Bob Dahlstrom from Apellix in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm sure you know the weight limit under Part 107 is 55 pounds. That's 55 pounds all in, including the weight of the aircraft and everything on it or that it's carrying, such as batteries, cameras, electronics, sensors, tethers, and anything else. Wait, did I hear the word tether? How does that work as part of the weight calculations? What if the tether includes material, such as cleaning or rinse agents, or coating and paint? What if those are being pumped up to the drone? Is the weight of the material included? It's simple. For example, if the aircraft and everything on it is 30 pounds, and you have a 100-foot tether that weighs 30 pounds when it's full, you can only lift 25 pounds of the tether to the maximum weight of 55 pounds. 30 for the aircraft plus 25 for the tether. So in this example, you would need to leave at least 5 pounds of the tether and material that it contains on the ground. An important safety note, keep your all-in weight at less than 60% of the lift capacity of the aircraft. This means if you want to lift 50 pounds, including the aircraft weight, your lift capacity should be 80, 50 times 1.6. Thank you for listening and fly safe.